until it's in standby mode. There it's in, you can tell that it's in auto. So right now it's set for plus 35, inhalation time of 2 seconds, exhalation is a negative 35, exhalation times 2 seconds, and the pause is 2 seconds. So say we want to change it to plus and minus 45. Okay, so we can go into settings, and again, then all of our choices are here, and now these buttons change to finish, navigate, modify. So if I want to scroll down, so that's how we change our mode to auto, and I'll show you how to get to that side too. Scrolling down to inhalation pressure, that's the one that's highlighted. If that's the one that I want to change, I hit modify. And now the number is highlighted. And now this button, now my toggle buttons are for edit. So up and down arrows. So say if I want to go to, let's say 40, and I'm done, okay. Flow, time, again I can modify that. Say I want to go up to 2.5 seconds. Okay, done with that. It automatically goes to the next setting, which is my pressure. If I want to modify that, we'll put that at 40. Okay, now time is highlighted. If I want to modify that, then I can go to 2.5 seconds. Done with that. Okay. Pause time. If I want to modify that, now I can change that. So, okay. So now I'm done. So finish. Okay, so now there's my settings. And now I'm going to have it on the test one. I'm going to run it through a cycle, run a test. And there's my pause. So that would be 1 cycle. So if it was on the patient, that would be 2 cycles. You can kind of see on the screen it's showing the pressures. So, all right, so that's good. Then I'm also going to check my suction. I want it below what on my suction? 600. Yep, below 600 for an adult. So that's good. I'm also going to get out my ambu bag. Have that ready. I've got my suction catheter there. I do my hand hygiene. I would don my gloves. The slide called it a ninja stance. So again, clean hand. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. It's kind of giving me a hard time, so I'm going to grab the part of the catheter that I am allowed to touch with my clean hand. I can pull the rest of the glove off. Grab it with that part, coil it around. Connect my suction tubing. Okay. My patient would be on the ventilator. I would wait for an inhalation. And again, now I'm also like using my legs, my hips, you know, so that my tubing's not falling. Wait for an inhalation. Oops, my cannula's not locked in. Connect. Do a therapy. So we'll do 3 cycles. Inhale, exhale, that's 1 cycle. Yep, so that's 2 cycles. 3 cycles. I'm going to put it on standby. Disconnect. Uncoil. Do my suctioning. Again, like that bow and arrow, rotating while I'm pulling back, intermittent suction. Coil, so I keep my suction catheter clean, and then back. They may need to be hyperventilated a little bit, get them pinked up again. Otherwise, it's once every 5 seconds. If they need to take a rest in between the sequences, I can put them back on the vent, let them take a rest. If my suction catheter, wasn't coordinated enough with my hips. If I need to clear out my suction catheter, clear out my suction catheter, let him rest. When he's ready to go, do it again. Wait for the inhale, take him off, put it on, therapy. That's one. Two. That's three. We're gonna go on standby. Take it off. Section. You guys call the little pop assist dance. Give them a little rest period on the vent. Clear this if I need to clear it. Let them catch his breath. And then we go again. And so then each time we're doing this, that's our sequence.
Gotcha. That was my next question.
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
So the cough assist suction bag, that's one sequence. And the inhalation, exhalation, pause, when you get to the pause, that's one cycle.
So you just did 2 sequences.
Yes, that was two sequences.
For 3 cycles each.
Yeah, that was 3 cycles each.
Okay.
Just for time-wise,
Yeah.
because a lot of orders will say 5 cycles,
Mhm.
but again, just for time purposes, for demonstration, I don't know. They did three.
Yep, that makes sense though. Thank you.
You're welcome. And that's also why it's called the cough assist dance, because it's cough assist, suction, bag. Cough assist, suction, bag. And keeping this hand clean. Everything else is done with this hand, with your dirty hand. Making sense? Anyone want to go first?
I'll try it first.
Alright. And you know I'm going to make the change the pressures and all that stuff, just because, we're in learning mode, so I'm not picking on ya. Not going to be picking on anybody.